Order and chaos are two fundamental concepts that have been explored throughout history. Chaos is typically associated with disorder, confusion, and unpredictability, while order is associated with structure, organization, and stability. There has been a long standing debate about the relationship between chaos and order, with some arguing that chaos is a necessary precursor to order, while others argue that chaos can never lead to order. Chaos by its very nature is random and unpredictable. Chaos is characterized by a lack of structure and organization, making it irrational to see how order could arise from such a disordered state. In order for order to emerge, there needs to be a sense of purpose, direction, and intentionality, which are all lacking in chaos. Chaos is associated with destruction and breakdown rather than creation and construction. Chaos can lead to confusion, conflict, and disruption, making it difficult to see how anything orderly could emerge from such tumultuous circumstances. In order for order to emerge, there needs to be a sense of stability, coherence, and harmony, all of which are absent in chaos. Chaos lacks the necessary components for order to emerge, such as rules, processes, and systems. Order is characterized by a set of rules and principles that govern how things are organized and structured, whereas chaos lacks any form of regulation or governance. Without these essential components, chaos cannot give birth to order. Chaos is characterized by a lack of coherence and consistency, making it impossible how order could arise from such a state of disarray. Order requires a sense of unity, coherence, and constraint in order to be sustained, all which are lacking in chaos. Without these essential elements, chaos can never give birth to order. As such, chaos is inherently unstable and unsustainable, making it unlikely that order could emerge from such a state. Order from chaos is like building a skyscraper without a foundation on land. It is just in the imagination. Even for a hypothetical levitation, a well thought out apparatus and precise environment is required to make it happen. The narrative is fallacious and unscholarly. It needs to be revised and queries should be explored and discussed about the probability. Order is a fundamental concept in our world, guiding the behavior of particles, organisms, and entire societies. Without order, chaos reigns supreme, leading to confusion, disarray, and ultimately destruction. Order cannot exist without a creator, higher power responsible for establishing and maintaining the laws of the universe. In other words, without a creator, order from chaos is impossible. The natural world is full of intricate patterns, systems, and structures that exhibit a high level of organization and functionality. From the spirals of a seashell to the complex neural networks in the human brain, these examples of order seem to suggest the presence of an intelligent designer behind them. From the structure of a single cell organism to the formation of galaxies in the universe, the level of order and organization present in nature is astonishing. It is baseless to imagine how such complexity could arise without a guiding force behind it. The law of physics and mathematics are evidence of a higher intelligence at work. The fact that the universe operates according to precise mathematical equations and physical laws that govern everything from the movement of planets to the behavior of a subatomic particle is seen as a clear indication of a creator hand in shaping the world. The concept of irreducible complexity further suggests that certain systems and structures in nature are so complex and interdependent that they could not have evolved through natural selection alone. Examples of irreducible complexity include the human eye, the bacterial flagellum, and the blood clotting cascade, of all of which exhibit a level of complexity that defies conventional explanations. The concept of information theory also informs that the creator is necessary for order to emerge from chaos. Information theory, which deals with the transmission, storage, and processing of information, suggests that the presence of order and complexity in the universe is best explained by the existence of an intelligent source that has encoded the information into the fabric of reality. The fine-tuning argument posits that the precise calibration of various physical constants and parameters in the universe is highly improbable if left to chance alone. The fact that these constants and parameters are finely tuned to allow for life to exist suggests a level of design and purpose behind the universe, enforcing the idea that a creator is necessary for order to rise from chaos. The concept of morality in ethics also confirms that a creator is necessary for order to emerge from chaos. The existence of moral values and universal principles of right and wrong suggests that there is an objective standard by which human behavior can be judged. Without a creator to establish these moral principles, chaos and disorder would reign supreme, leading to a breakdown of society and civilization. The concept of teleology or idea of purpose and meaning also supports the idea that a creator is necessary for order to emerge from chaos. The presence of purpose and direction in the natural world, such as the growth of plants towards the sun or the migration of animals to find food and shelter, suggests a higher intelligence guiding these processes towards a specific end. There is a higher purpose to human existence, and that is the purpose is rooted in a divine plan set forth by Creator. Without this sense of purpose, chaos would prevail as individuals struggle to find meaning in the world void of direction. The concept of free will suggests the existence of a creator. If humans are truly free to make choices and decisions, then there must be a higher power responsible for granting this autonomy. Without a creator to establish the boundaries of free will, chaos would ensue as individuals acted without restraint or consequence. The idea of consciousness posits that the existence of human consciousness and self awareness cannot be explained solely by physical processes alone. The fact that we have the capacity for rational thought, moral reasoning, and introspection suggests the presence of a higher intelligence that has endowed us with these mental faculties. The concept of beauty and aesthetics also alludes that a creator is necessary for order to emerge from chaos. The fact that can perceive and appreciate beauty in the natural world, from the symmetry of a snowflake to the majesty of a sunset, suggests the presence of an intelligent designer who has infused the world with aesthetic qualities that we wonder and awe. The concept of love and compassion and other emotions also have evidence for the existence of a creator. Love is a transcendent force that binds individuals together and fosters empathy and connection. With a creator to establish the foundation for love and compassion, chaos would prevail as individuals acted out of selfishness and hostility. Chaos can never give birth to order due to its inherent characteristics, lack of necessary components, and negative associations. Chaos is random, unpredictable, destructive, and lacks the necessary elements for order to emerge. In order for order to be established, there needs to be a sense of purpose, direction, stability, coherence, and positivity, all of which are lacking in chaos. While chaos may be a necessary precursor to change and transformation, it is unlikely that it could ever lead to the creation of order. From the complexity of the natural world to the intricacy of moral principles, the evidence is and support of a creator is abundant. Without a higher power to guide and govern the universe, we would reign as randomness and disorder dictated the course of events. With impossibility of order emerging from chaos, how anyone can believe of chaos creating order?